Hi, I'm Lauren and you're watching Kids Create. Today I'm going to be making some really cute bracelet charms out of Shrinky paper. So let's get started. What you will need for this project is the template that is linked down below, a black Sharpie and some scissors. Then you're also going to need a hole punch and some Sharpies. Now these Sharpies are for coloring. You can use paint too if you want. Now I'm using the Great Weight Creative Pack for my Shrinky Dinks, and the couple things that aren't listed here is a jump ring. So now I'm right here cutting out my bracelet stuff, and then we're going to take this and put it under our Shrinky paper because we're going to be tracing it. And after I finish tracing, time to color. So these are my designs. I love them so much, and I've cut them out. So now it's time to cut some holes in them. So you don't want a 1/4 of an inch holes because these are going to be smaller. Okay, so while I'm cutting, I just want to say that we're going to be using an oven in the next clip. So remember to have a parent supervision while you're doing this. So I'm going to be preheating my oven to 325, as you can see here. And I want to coat it for 2 to 3 minutes. So now I have a parchment lined baking sheet. It doesn't have to be lined with parchment paper, but I'm going to put my pieces on it. And you're going to want to let these sit until they shrink up and then they come down flat. So as you can tell, they have shrunk a lot and they look so cute. I think my favorite is probably the heart, but these are going to be so cute on bracelets. So now, as you can see in this video, I am just putting the jump rings on, and this is the finished product with the bracelet. This is so adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun making this bracelet. I have so many little charms on this, and I think my favorite is probably the heart. But anyway, make sure you go subscribe down below and watch all my other videos. I'll have one up next week. Have a nice time.